Respected seniors and my dear colleagues, happy Doctors' Day to all of you. On this occasion, I wish everyone with good health. You know, every year this day is celebrated on 1st July 2020 on the occasion of birth anniversary of the famous legend and great parliamentarian Dr. B.C. Roy, Bidhan Chandra Roy. He is an architect in developing modern India and especially in developing modern West Bengal after independence. He is a great personality, lovable by all. He is an inspiration to so many doctors in the country and worldwide. His life history should be known to everybody who is practicing in India. I want to give a brief biography of his life history. Dr. Bidhan Chandra Roy, born on 1st July 1882 in Patna. He educated in Patna primary, high school, and he did his BA from Patna University. After that, he moved to Calcutta to pursue higher education. He applied for both engineering and medicine, but ultimately he chose to join in Calcutta Medical College, and he graduated from Calcutta Medical College with extraordinary marks. And after that, he went to England to pursue higher education, specialization in surgery. There, he attempted to get admission in prestigious St. Bartholomew's Hospital, where many legends in medical field were brought up. Legend like William Harvey, who was a product of St. Bartholomew's Hospital. In those days, they were not giving admission to the foreigners, but after repeated attempts, he could get an admission in that prestigious institute. And he is one of the few persons who got MRCP and FRCS, both the degrees simultaneously. It's very rare to achieve all those things in those days. After completing his education there, the head of the institution very much appreciated him, and they felt ashamed that for not giving admission to Dr. B.C. Roy in the first attempt. That is the impact he gave in that institute. He was one of the noted alumni of St. Bartholomew's Hospital, London, along with the William Harvey and other legends in the medical field. After returning to Calcutta, he held various positions. He was mayor of Calcutta municipality and vice chancellor of Calcutta University later on. He is instrumental in founding Indian Medical Association and also Medical Council of India. He was the national president of IMA and also chairman of Medical Council of India. He was honored with prestigious Bharat Ratna in 1961 by the Government of India, the highest civilian award. In 1948, he was nominated to Legislative Council of West Bengal and was elected leader of the ruling party and became Chief Minister of West Bengal. He is the second Chief Minister of West Bengal. He continued in that office from January 1948 to 1962 till his death. So during this period, in spite of his busy schedule in office, he allotted 1 hour for the care of poor people in the medical practice. he did not leave the medical practice even though he was a CM for so many years. On his 80th birthday, he was greeted by his well-wishers and others in his house. On 1st July 1962, he had his last breath in the afternoon after donating his property to the government. His residence was made Government General Hospital later on, and in 1962, an award on his name, Dr. B.C. Rai Award, was instituted by the Medical Council of India. From then onwards, every year, that award is being given to the eminent people in medicine and other fields. He is such a great personality. On this occasion, every year, National Doctors' Day is being celebrated throughout India, and West Bengal government declares holiday on his birthday. This year it is special for the doctors because of the Corona pandemic. Our doctors are getting special recognition from all sections of the people, and we should stand up to that, their expectations. And I appeal to all my colleagues once again rededicate ourselves to our profession, and we pay condolences to all those who lost their lives in fighting against Corona. And I congratulate all those doctors who are the frontline warriors in COVID management. And once again, I appeal all of you to a happy Doctors' Day and maintain the dignity and pride of our profession. And we should take Dr. B.C. Rai as a role model for us.
Felicitation members, like senior members who have been serving Nizamabad people for so many years, hardworking, and like he was coordinating with the government and private facility. It was for the doctors regarding any government like PM and HO said we ready for today. Dr. Arun sir, who is MD General Medicine. Like I have been knowing him since my childhood. Today's felicitation, and Dr. Bharat Pawar sir, who has been well-known general practitioner like since sir, for his felicitation, comments today. I congratulate all the three felicitations.
శుభాకాంక్షలు వస్తుందా? డాక్టర్స్ డే సందర్భంగా
జాతీయ వైద్యుల దినోత్సవం. ఈ వైద్యుల దినోత్సవం సందర్భంగా ఇక్కడికి విచ్చేసిన ఐఎంఏ డాక్టర్స్ అందరికీ స్వాగతం, సుస్వాగతం. మనకు జూలై 1 అంటే డాక్టర్ బీసీ రాయ్ గారి జన్మదినము మరియు ఆయన మరణించిన తేదీ. సో ఆయన చాలా ఫేమస్ పర్సన్. ఆయన మన ఇండియాకు చాలా సర్వీసెస్ ఇచ్చారు. తర్వాత ఆయన మన భారత ప్రభుత్వం ఆయనని భారతరత్నతోని ఆయనను సన్మానించడం జరిగింది. ఆయన పశ్చిమ బెంగాల్కు ముఖ్యమంత్రిగా పనిచేశారు. తర్వాత ఎన్నో గ్రేట్ సర్వీసెస్ ఇవ్వడం జరిగింది. సో ఆయన జ్ఞాపకార్థం ఈరోజు మనము జాతీయ వైద్యుల దినోత్సవం సెలబ్రేట్ చేసుకుంటున్నాము. సో కాబట్టి మన డాక్టర్స్ చాలామంది ఏంటంటే ఈ కరోనా సమయంలో విపత్కరమైన పరిస్థితుల్లో చాలా మంచి సర్వీసెస్ ఇచ్చారు. ముఖ్యంగా ఈ టెలిమెడిసిన్ సర్వీసెస్ కానీ, తర్వాత ఎమర్జెన్సీ సర్వీసెస్ కానీ చాలా బాగా ఇవ్వడం వల్ల మన నిజామాబాద్ జిల్లా ప్రజలకందరికీ చాలా మంచి సర్వీసెస్ అవైలబుల్ దొరికినాయి. సో నేను అందరికీ డాక్టర్స్ ఈరోజు మీరు ఇక్కడ విచ్చేసిన డాక్టర్స్ అందరికీ నేను పేరు పేరున ధన్యవాదాలు తెలుపుతున్నాను. సో మీరందరూ ఆ రోజు కరోనా సమయంలో కష్టపడి పనిచేయడం వల్ల ఈసారి మన ఐఎంఏకు మంచి గుర్తింపు లభించింది. తర్వాత మీరు ఐఎంఏ మెంబర్స్ అందరూ వివిధ సర్వీస్ యాక్టివిటీస్ చేయడం, ముఖ్యంగా బ్లడ్ డొనేషన్ కానీ, తర్వాత N95 మాస్క్ డిస్ట్రిబ్యూషన్ కానీ చాలా అన్ని కార్యక్రమాల్లో చురుకుగా పాల్గొన్నారు. ముఖ్యంగా నేను అభినందిస్తున్నాను. ఎందుకంటే మీరందరూ కరోనా సమయంలో అవగాహన కరపత్రాలని ముద్రించి మన వివిధ జిల్లాలను వివిధ ప్రాంతాలకు పంపించి మన అవగాహన కల్పించారు. సో దీనివల్ల ప్రజల్లో చాలా మంచి అవగాహన వచ్చింది. సో మీరందరూ ఇక్కడికి ఇచ్చేసినందుకు నేను పేరు పేరున ధన్యవాదాలు తెలుపుతున్నాను. సో థ్యాంక్ యూ ఆల్ IMA మెంబర్స్.
Like ethics and do service to our society, and I congratulate all the doctors for, and I wish each and every doctor a happy Doctors' Day today.
He is a legendary physician, B.C. Roy, and Bharat Ratna awardee, and a former Chief Minister of West Bengal. I think these days nobody can match him or go anywhere near him, but at least take cue out of him and try to emulate at least 10-20%. I think 10% is enough. I don't want to say 50%. 10-20% is enough. But and now the entire country is facing this corona pandemic, and we are the people who are serving, and doctors are the first, then the healthcare workers, then the police and the other departments. This is the occasion we have to pressurize the government, central government, to get an audience. Prime Minister Modi is also in favor of, is condemning the attacks on the doctors. So it means, in other words, he realizes the importance of doctors in this pandemic. So I also requested National IMA, the President Rajan and Rajan Sharma and Ashokan, to take advantage of situation. The ordinance which is passed for the corona should be continued throughout, so that we have protection. And for in this regard, Indore CT scan and MRI, corona CT scan just we normally charge 4,500. Normally we charge 4,500. But many doctors are referring for CT chest for screening of the viral pneumonia, which correlates 70 to 90% with symptomatic cases. So we have reduced the price from 4,500 to 2,500. 2,000 we have reduced. Nobody is doing it in Hyderabad. They are charging the same amount. We are doing it in Nizamabad. This is for the patients. This is not for doctors. Members who are the part of the CT scan, MRI are always eligible. They can get it done freely. But this advantage goes to the members. I mean, society of people of Nizamabad. And coming to three of the awardees, I congratulate all three of them. And I know them personally, especially Dr. Rajesh. Rajesh, as Raja rightly said, he has been very hardworking, very affectionate, nice, decent person, well behaved. I know him since his days. He was practicing. Then he joined as a medical officer in Darpalli. Since then I know him, and he has progressed in such a fashion that he became the district examination officer, additional DMHO, and now he is a nodal officer of the Corona COVID-19. So he deserves to be honored, and he needs special mention for the services rendered in the government service. It is always a non-controversial, respected by all, affectionate, never went into any controversy, and we really congratulate you, Dr. Rajesh, for heart of hearts. This is your contribution, because nobody ever talked bad about you. And coming to Dr. Arun Kumar, change of place, fortunes fluctuating. He was there in Nirmal. He was not happy. He came to a bigger town. He wanted a big platform, big stadium. That is Nizamabad. He has been very successful here. And his wife also. Both of them have a successful practice and known as a physician and gynecologist. Now coming to Bharat Pawar, if there is any, once upon a time general practitioner says father was Pedda Bazar Krishnamurthy. Now he is simply slightly outclassed by his son. Bharat Pawar is one of the topmost GPs. Probably the highest number of patients we see in a day in Nizamabad, it should be Bharat Pawar only. And so congratulations, Bharat Pawar. Now coming to Corona, many branches daily I get information from the minister only, health minister only. His PS only sends me the photographs, the statistics and all. Now, minister is forcing all the medical college owners, private medical college owners, gave instructions. By VC also gave instructions as expert committee member, COVID patients should be admitted, should not be referred to Hyderabad. They should be admitted in private medical colleges. And that is what is happening. In this context, I am in touch with almost all branches, WhatsApp of almost all branches. Whatever I get from the government, I will pass it on to most of the branches. Here the point is, Warangal they had a meeting. If one dermatologist became sick, He was on nearly in a very critical condition. He was on ventilator in Yashoda. I got so many messages from Warangal IMA doctors. If anything happens to Dr. Ramesh Kumar, nobody is going to take a serious case in Warangal. I mean, they are scared so much. Now, the beds are full in Hyderabad. Today morning, first call I got from my friend of mine. He wanted to admit his cousin in any hospital. Doctor sir, please recommend. That is the situation. If any of us, my IMA members or their family members, government doctors, healthcare workers, nurses, it is difficult to get a bed in Hyderabad. Gandhi, they have decided district should take their own cases. Unless it is a near ventilation, we have to treat our own patients. So in this context, I request Dr. Jeevan Rao, Dr. Vishal, Dr. Raja to discuss with the superintendent and district collector, and some beds should be allotted to us in the medical college. As for doctors, I am not talking about private doctors. It includes government doctors, healthcare workers, nurses, ayas, even our own family members, because I doubt it is not easy to get beds in any of the hospitals unless you are powerful. Some senior physicians, powerful people like DLN Swami, Suresh Kumar, Jeevan Rao, I don't know. But it is difficult for most of us to get beds in Hyderabad. So we should be prepared to gear up the situation, have some beds allotted here. What is new? We are all from the Usmania, Gandhi, Warangal or some colleges, wherever we are in. Our own colleagues are treating there. One who is treating in Gandhi is not somebody he has not come out of the blue. He is only one of our members. Same treat can be continued here. If we have some diagnostic support, tocilizumab is just 20,000, one dose is enough. Methyl-prednisolone is available everywhere. We need a diagnostic workup. If situation comes, our doctors should be treated here only, unless nearing ventilation. So that is my request. So please talk to superintendent. They are already in touch, both of them, in touch with the district superintendent and collector also. I don't. You will explain. President will explain. So get prepared. Somebody said IMA building, but by the time we get all the ventilators, central oxygen, the corona time will be over. So better in some medical college somewhere. So with these few words, I request the organizers for giving this opportunity. So much has been said about Bidhan Chandra Rai, but let us follow few ethical aspects of Bidhan Chandra Rai, so that this day should be remembered forever with his ethical values. I thank you, President, thank you, Secretary, for giving this opportunity.
Who lost their lives in this battle. Regarding Nizamabad, we spoke to our superintendent of the hospital, and we are planning to meet collector. And in principle, we and we are asking the collector to allot for the healthcare personnel, doctors. In government setup also, there are number of house surgeons, PGs and all those things. For all, that is a 60-bedded hospital with 10 ventilators. We told them that we extend our professional services from our IMA and Thana side. Professional care we will provide. Nursing care, infrastructure, other sanitation, everything government will provide with coordination with IMA and government authorities. If any of our colleague gets infected, we can have the approach to treat them. We can't have any approach in Hyderabad. We will be getting, first of all, as he said, getting bed is important, getting admission is difficult. Here, under our supervision, our regular anesthetists, physicians who are close to us, they can supervise our treatment. If any of our colleagues get infected, this will be easy for us, and it will be within reach of our family members here. That we are planning. In 1 to 2 days, we will finalize that. We will, along with superintendent, principal, and IMA representatives. So I think that there is no problem in these things. Anyone can boldly take up, and if nothing to fear about corona in our setup. I request Dr. Rajesh.
He also worked in the DMHO office in various positions, like in charge DMHO, district immunization officer, district malaria officer, and administrative officer. He retired from his government service on 30th in national health programs, various health programs. Later on, after as epidemiologist since September 2007 till now.
డాక్టర్గా పనిచేయడం అనేది నిజంగా నేను చాలా గర్వపడుతున్నాను. నేను ఒక రూరల్ బ్యాక్గ్రౌండ్ డిస్ట్రిక్ట్ చాలా ఏరియాలలో చూశాను. చాలామంది ప్రజలు ఒక డాక్టర్ ఎంత ప్రే చేస్తారంటే, మనకు ఒక పేషెంట్ హ్యాపీగా ఫీల్ అయిన తర్వాత ట్రీట్మెంట్లో రికవర్ అయిన తర్వాత చాలామంది ప్రే చేస్తారు, బ్లెస్సింగ్స్ కూడా ఇస్తారు. ఫర్ ఎగ్జాంపుల్ నేను దర్పల్లి సెల్కొండ ఏరియాలో చేసినప్పుడు చాలామంది మనకి ఇక్కడ ఉన్న డాక్టర్స్ అందరూ కూడా బాగా ఫేమస్. డాక్టర్ రవీందర్ రెడ్డి గారు, డాక్టర్ సురేష్ కుమార్ గారు, జీవన్ రావు గారు, వీళ్ళందరూ కూడా ఇప్పటికి జ్ఞాపకం చేస్తారు. వాళ్ళు ఆ సార్ ఎక్కడ ఉన్నారు, ఏం చేస్తున్నారు, చాలా బాగుండాలనేది. అంటే ఇది ఒక మంచి ప్రొఫెషన్లో మనం వచ్చి ప్రజలకు సేవ చేయడం అనేది రియల్గా చాలా గ్రేట్ఫుల్గా ఫీల్ అవుతున్నాము. ఒక డాక్టర్ మాత్రమే తన లైఫ్ అంతా కూడా సర్వీసెస్ ఇవ్వగలడు. ఈవెన్ టిల్ లాస్ట్ బ్రెత్ ఈ కెన్ గివ్ సమ్ అడ్వైస్. ఈ అవసరం అనేది వేరే వాళ్ళకి లేదు. ఇట్లాంటి నాకు అవకాశం వచ్చినందుకు మెనీ మెనీ థ్యాంక్స్. థ్యాంక్ యూ వెరీ మచ్.
First is MBBS in 91 and MD from 1996. Thank you, sir, for accepting our felicitation.
And my colleagues, I feel honored. I wish everyone happy Doctor's Day. Thank you, Anita.
I am a doctor. I am really very happy and proud to get honored by IMA doctors here. I am really proud being a doctor in serving Nizamabad people. I really thank for accepting as a chief guest Dr. Ravindra Reddy garu, Telangana State Medical Council, Hyderabad, and President Dr. Jeevan Rao garu, Secretary Dr. Vishal garu, Rashid Vidya Singh was Thana President. Thank you and one and all.
All the doctors, because many of the doctors has given services in telemedicine, because during lockdown different specialties people has given services. Now I would like to request Dr. DLM Swami sir, please come, please accept our felicitations. Sir, Subhas sir. IMA past president and senior physician, please accept our felicitation.
Special thanks to Suresh. Every day comes with some good news in the WhatsApp. Educating doctors. Yes. Very latest information.
Krishnamurthy sir, please accept our felicitation. Academic Physician and Government Doctors Association General Secretary, Dr. Tirupati Rao sir, please accept our felicitation. Fitness program.
Anyone who wants to reduce their weight, please consult Dr. Tirupati Rao. Corona will not come if you wait.
When hospital
Lockdown under answer system. Question.
Thank you. Now,
My father, anti-corona. కరోనా మన
మీరు ఇట్లుండండి సార్.
Smiling and always cool, energetic. So I am lucky. Actually, President like Jeevan Rao sir. Actually, I am very lucky. So every time he is giving encouragement and energy for me. So thank you sir. Please accept IMA Nizamabad.
Because of all of you, I am just stimulating. You are doing all those things. All of us and captain, advisor, everything to the Nizamabad branch from the beginning. Since I started my practice in 1989, he was my big brother. And every program, every EMA in Nizamabad is like this means because of Ravindra. The entire state goes to him after that. You are our DC right to say.
Telangana.
Greet all the doctors on this very special day, Doctors' Day. I thank Dr. Ravindra Reddy sir as usually accept our IMA Doctors' Day. Extend my congratulations to all the doctors who are still working in the doctors like this in a big number to serve them. And I thank everybody for being a part of this program today. Thank you very much.
आज हम 1 जुलाई जो है ना डॉक्टर्स डे मना रहे हैं IMA हॉल में। आज डॉक्टर्स डे इसलिए मनाते हैं कि इंडिया के काफ़ी मशहूर फिजिशियन थे डॉक्टर BC रॉय साहब, जो कि जो है ना बहुत अच्छे फिजिशियन थे और लोगों की जो है ना तबीयत के लिए, जान के लिए काफ़ी उन्होंने जो है ना मेहनत करते थे। उनके बर्थडे के मौके पे आज जो है ना डॉक्टर्स डे मनाया जाता है। डॉक्टर BC रॉय साहब जो है ना वेस्ट बंगाल के जो है ना 2 बार चीफ मिनिस्टर भी रह चुके हैं और उनको भारत रत्न से भी अवार्ड में से नवाजा गया था। इसलिए आज का दिन जो है ना उनकी याद में, उनका जन्मदिन और उनकी मौत भी जो है ना सेम दिन हुई थी। हम खुशी उनकी जन्मदिन पे मनाते हैं कि जो है ना आज जुलाई 1 को उनका जन्मदिन है। इस मौके पे हम डॉक्टर से मनाया जाता है। डॉक्टर्स जो कि आजकल जो है ना बहुत अहम रोल निभा रहे हैं पब्लिक में, क्योंकि ये साल का डॉक्टर्स डे ऐसी जो है ना मुश्किलात का डॉक्टर्स डे, जो कि ये कोविड का जो है ना साल चल रहा है। कोविड जो है ना, जो कि कोविड की बीमारी में बहुत ही अहम रोल डॉक्टर्स का है, क्योंकि डॉक्टर्स जो है ना फ्रंट लाइन वॉरियर्स जैसा जो है ना काम कर रहे हैं और जो है ना पब्लिक की हेल्थ के लिए काफ़ी जो है ना मेहनत कर रहे हैं। हम सब डॉक्टर्स को, हमारे जो सीनियर्स डॉक्टर्स हैं उनको भी सैल्यूट करते हैं, हमारे कोलिग्स को भी सैल्यूट करते हैं और हमारे जूनियर्स डॉक्टर्स को भी सैल्यूट करते हैं कि जो है ना इस कोविड के महामारी में जो है ना इतनी मेहनत कर रहे हैं। हम चाहते हैं, हम शुक्र अदा करते हैं अपने पेरेंट्स का भी, जो है ना हमको जो है ना इस फील्ड में हमको जाने का मौका दिया, हमको डॉक्टर बनने का मौका दिया। हम शुक्रगुजार हैं अपने पेरेंट्स के भी, जो है ना हमको इतनी हौसला अफजाई दी कि हम डॉक्टर बन सके और जो है ना पब्लिक में और पब्लिक की सेवा कर सके। डॉक्टर BC रॉय साहब जो है ना बहुत हॉस्पिटल्स नए जो है ना एहतजाज किए थे और जो है ना कई जो है ना कम्युनिटी सेंटर्स बनाए थे, कम्युनिटी वर्क्स के लिए जो है ना काफ़ी मेहनत की थी। इसलिए उनके बर्थडे के मौके पे नेशनल डॉक्टर्स डे मनाते हैं हम लोग। और जो है ना हम जो कोविड की बीमारी से हम गुजर रहे हैं, ये कोविड की बीमारी के जिम्मेदार सिर्फ डॉक्टर्स नहीं है, हर सिटीज़न जो इंडिया का जो है ना जिम्मेदार है। हम डॉक्टर्स आपको गाइड कर सकते हैं, ट्रीट कर सकते हैं, लेकिन आपको जो है ना बेसिक प्रिंसिपल्स कोविड के जो है हाथ धोना, डिस्टेंस मेंटेन करना, सैनिटाइजर्स यूज़ करना और पब्लिक में जमा नहीं होना, हर नागरिक की जो है ना ये जो है ना जिम्मेदारी है कि जो है ना खुद अपने आप की निगरानी करें, अपने आप को जो है ना कोविड आने से बचाएं और कम्युनिटी को भी जो है ना कोविड आने से बचाएं। ग्रुप्स में लोग मत ठहरा करो, कहीं भी ग्रुप्स में जो है ना कहीं मत जाओ। जो भी करना है अपने जो है ना अगर आपको एक इंसान को घर में कोविड आए तो घर के सारे अफराद इसके जो है ना इफेक्ट होता है। तो अपने आप को बचाइए, अपने घर वालों को बचाइए और साथ में कम्युनिटी को बचाइए। हम चाहते हैं कि निज़ामाबाद एक ऐसा जगह हो जो है ना कोविड कम से कम केसेस आ सके। हम अपनी अपनी जिम्मेदारी अच्छी तरह निभाएं ताकि जो है ना हम जो है ना इस बीमारी से दूर रहें। हम ऐसा बोला जाता है कि टुगेदर वी कैन, यानी कि हम साथ मिलकर सब कर सकते हैं। हमारा डॉक्टर्स की तरफ से 100% सहयोग रहेगा और आप भी अपनी जो है ना जिम्मेदारी निभाइए। इंशाल्लाह हम कोविड से दूर होकर रहें।
జాతీయ వైద్యుల దినోత్సవం డాక్టర్ BC రాయ్ గారు పూర్వపు పశ్చిమ బెంగాల్ ముఖ్యమంత్రి, అదేవిధంగా వైద్యుడిగా తన సేవలు ఫిజిషియన్గా సేవలు అందించారు. వారి యొక్క జన్మదిన సందర్భంగా ఈరోజు జాతీయ వైద్యుల దినోత్సవంగా జరుపుకుంటున్నాం. అయితే ఈ సందర్భంగా మనకు ఈ సంవత్సరం కోవిడ్-19 రావడంతో మొత్తం భారతదేశంలోనే వైద్యులందరూ మిగతా వైద్య సిబ్బందితో కలిపి చాలా చక్కగా ధైర్యంతో సేవలు నిర్వహించడం జరుగుతుంది. ఈ సేవలు నిర్వహిస్తున్నటువంటి మా తోటి వైద్యులందరికీ నేను మరొకసారి వాళ్ళందరికీ నా ధన్యవాదాలు తెలియజేస్తూ, కృతజ్ఞతలు తెలియజేస్తూ, అదేవిధంగా ఈ కరోనా శత్రువుతో పోరాడుతున్నటువంటి మా యుద్ధ సైనికులందరికీ చేతులెత్తి నమస్కరించి ఈ డాక్టర్స్ డే శుభాకాంక్షలు తెలియజేస్తున్నాను. అయితే ప్రజలందరూ కూడా డాక్టర్స్కి బాగా సహకరించి ఎలాంటి గొడవలు పెట్టకుండా, ఎలాంటి ఇబ్బందులు సృష్టించకుండా ప్రతి ఒక్కరికి సహకరిస్తూ మంచి సేవలు తీసుకోవాలని కోరుతున్నాను. ఎందుకంటే ఎక్కడ కూడా ఏ మతమో కులమో అనే ఉద్దేశం లేకుండా ఒక పేషెంట్ అంటే, ఒక రోగి అంటే ఒక రోగిగా మాత్రమే చూస్తారు ఎవరైనా. అక్కడ మతం కానీ కులం కానీ ఎలాంటివి ఉండవు. కానీ కొంతమంది కనిగట్టుకొని మరి చాలామంది డాక్టర్స్ పైన దాడులు చేయడం జరుగుతుంది. ఏ డాక్టర్ కూడా ఎవరికైనా ఇబ్బంది సృష్టించాలనే ఎట్టి పరిస్థితుల్లో ఒక ఆలోచన కూడా ఉండదు వాళ్ళకి. సో ఇలాంటి పరిస్థితుల్లో అందరూ మంచి సేవలు తీసుకొని చాలా చక్కగా కరోనా గురించిన ట్రీట్మెంట్ కావచ్చు, ఇతరత్ర వ్యాధుల ట్రీట్మెంట్ కావచ్చు తీసుకోవాలని ప్రతి ఒక్కరిని